In this video, I am going to show you a recipe that helped me to thicken my hair naturally. So if you're suffering from thinning hair, or you feel like your hair is not growing, and if your hair is also falling out excessively, then this video is for you. My first ingredient is hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower is the same flower that we call sobo leaf in Nigeria or zobole in Ghana. Hibiscus flower, aka zobo or zobolo leaf, helps to reduce hair fall and strengthen the hair roots. It helps to thicken the hair and add volume, alright? And this is because it is rich in amino acid, which helps to nourish the scalp, and vitamins that helps to prevent hair fall. So I'm going to be dropping 5 pieces of hibiscus flower into my container. And to this recipe, I added rosemary leaves, which helps to stimulate hair growth, strengthen the hair follicles, and reduce shedding. Plus, it helps to thicken thinning hair over time. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of rosemary into my jar container, and then I'm also going to be adding fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed helps to strengthen the roots and repair weak damaged hair. It helps to fight dandruff and scalp irritation. And this is a close look of what fenugreek seed looks like. You could see those tiny seeds. Once you put it in water, it swells and doubles up, and that is how you know that your mixture is ready. Okay, so I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed as well. Now, after combining all my 3 ingredients, I'm going to now pour hot water over it. There are 2 ways to make this recipe. It's either you make it by boiling method or you make it by infusion method. Today I choose to go with infusion method, and that is because I feel like infusion method is more potent. However, the both method is very okay. Alright, if you want to use it instantly, you can boil it for 10 minutes on low heat and then allow it to cool down for additional 30 minutes, and you can then use it. However, I infused mine overnight, and the next day this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to strain it, and it is ready to be used. After straining it, next I'm going to transfer it into my applicator bottle. I am using a spray bottle for easy access. Using a spray bottle helps me to distribute it evenly on my hair. You can use any bottle that you choose. You can use like the nozzle bottle if you're concentrating only on your scalp. And this is what our sobo hibiscus hairspray looks like. Now I'm going to show you also how to use it. Please don't go nowhere. And here, this is what my hair looks like. I just loosened the thread that I had my hair on, and you could see how my hair was looking. So now I'm going to use it to hydrate my hair and strengthen my hair. So the best way that I have found to use this treatment is to concentrate it on your scalp and also focus on your hair strands and the ends of your hair. And once you're done, it is also important that you seal everything with your butter, your oil, or whatever. When you're applying this treatment, it is important, highly important, that you massage your scalp as well. This helps to boost hair growth. Okay, so this is the pomade that I'm going to be using. I have a video on how I made this pomade already on my channel. So I took just a little portion and I applied on my hair. You could see the shine that immediately gives to my natural hair. If you're one who is experiencing excessive hair fall or excessive breakage, please use this treatment on your hair. Use it 2 or 3 times in a week. Just swap your water for this tea. Okay, you can use it as a leave-in treatment, just as I'm using it in this video. You can use it as a tea rinse. Guys, I use hibiscus and rosemary as my tea rinse. Once I finish shampooing my hair, I pour it on my hair and I cover my hair. Sometimes I don't even rinse it out. I just allow it to sit for a while, and then I follow up with my moisturizing routine. You can use it as that's after tea rinse. You can also pour it on your hair before you condition your hair on top. Like, pour on your hair and then deep condition on top of it. it works either way, okay? But the best way to use it is on a daily basis, like using it as a living. However whether you choose to use it, it will also give you the same result. It will also give you the same result, but it depends, like the time that you will see the results might be different. Do you get? Yeah, I feel like using it on a more daily basis gives like a faster result than using it only on your wash days. All right, yeah, it makes sense because you're using it frequently, all right, rather than using it once a week, once a 2 weeks, or once a month. Combination of these three ingredients is not only going to help to hydrate your hair, it is also going to help to strengthen your hair from the root. It is going to help to thicken your hair. Most of these herbs are thickening and strengthening agents. It is going to help to strengthen your hair, preventing your hair from breaking. Now what causes your hair to thin over time is breakage, okay? If your hair keep breaking from the ends of your hair, you're just going to notice that your hair start looking like a see-through. Trust me, I've been there, okay? And I know what it looks like and what it feels like. All right, yes. So this herbs is going to help to strengthen your hair from the roots, and also it's going to help to prevent your hair from breaking. It's going to help to prevent your hair from damage, and it is because they contain antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, especially amino acid, all right, which helps to nourish your hair and prevent it from further damage. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? And if you're curious as to how to store this treatment, yes, you can store it in your fridge for up to 5 days, and after 5 days just discard it and make a fresh batch, okay? Trust me, it doesn't cost that much. One tablespoon of each is not going to, it's better than you using something that's gone bad. So a pro tip will be to make this in a smaller quantity and then use it up as soon as possible. All right guys, I love that you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed putting it out there, filming it and putting it out there. I'm going to combine the 5 ingredients that really helped me to transform my hair in one video. So look out for that video. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to join this beautiful family. Hit that notification bell so that when next I upload the video, you'll be among the first people to get notified. I hope that you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.